Hello, ako po si Madam P at ito yung reading natin for collectives. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, unfortunately. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo, okay? If you don't like the way I read, pwede ka mag-next video and gawin mo na lang yun. Yeah, let's start your reading. Please do comment down below kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Okay? For collectives. Two of Cups at saka Strength card. Okay. Maganda to. Kasi with the Strength card, this is pagpapatibay or, by the word itself, strength. So with the Two of Cups, this could be relationship, partnership, friendship na nagiging mas matibay ngayon. And bago ito dumating sa point na ganito, with the Five of Cups, I feel like nagkaroon ng kalungkutan, ng maybe even separation. Well, gano'n naman talaga sa relationship. Hindi pwedeng hindi, lalo na yung mga matatagal na relasyon, hindi pwedeng hindi nagkakaroon ng hiwalayan. Nagiging part yan eh. At yun yung nagpapaganda ng relasyon. Kasi of course, hindi naman perfect talaga. There's no perfect nga eh. Pero, isa pa yon yung relationship, isa sa nagpapaganda at nagbibigay ng uniqueness sa isang relasyon ay kapag naranasan ninyo yung mga bagay na um, hindi nyo akalaing malalagpasan ninyo. So, for some of you, you could be in a relationship na naging matibay itong relasyon nito and then um, yeah, nagpapakita ito ng pagpapatibay ng relasyon na maraming pinagdaanan bago maging ganito. Okay? The person that you're dealing with, the Hermit, this is Virgo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Yan. The Hermit at saka Ten of Cups. So, actually, ito nakikita ko ito as yung person na nakakonect mo, maybe nakapag-build na kayo ng home together, maybe you are already married, yung iba kung hindi pa papunta dito yung relasyon na to eh. Lalo na with the Ten of Cups, may family na involved dito, so pwedeng tumibay na talaga yung relasyon ninyo ng iba nakapagpamilya na nga. And at the bottom of the deck, you do have the Ten of Swords, so I can see an ending sa relationship ninyo or nag-end sa relationship ninyo. And yung iba, it could be there's another point na naman sa relationship ninyo na parang gusto na namang gumive up or gusto na namang magkaroon ng separation or ending. Pero matibay kasi yung relationship na to eh. So although ganun siya na parang nagkakaroon ng mga ganyan challenges pagdating sa relasyon, nagagawan pa rin ng paraan na hindi matuloy itong ending or separation na ito para sa inyo. And then, wait lang guys. Ano yung emotion niyo sa isa't isa? The Queen of Pentacles is here. Well, I feel like ang focus mo kasi yung mga tao sa paligid mo, career, work, money. Eight of Pentacles, yan, iba sa inyo nagiging workaholic. Or maybe dati ka naman ng ganyan, focus mo talaga career, work. And ngayon, ganun pa rin naman yung focus mo sa ngayon, hindi pa rin naman nababago yun. May mga gusto kang baguhin, ayusin pagdating sa area ng iyong career or work or money. Ganun. And, yeah. Six of Cups. The Justice card. There's a person in the past na nakukuha natin na parang gusto niya maging realistic or maging totoo sa'yo. Parang this person wants to tell you the truth. Gusto niya sabihin yung totoo sa'yo. And, yeah, yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi pa ka pa nga married, I'm seeing marriage dito. Four of Wands. Parang gusto niya ng marriage or relationship, mas matibay na relasyon sa inyo. Yung iba, if you're already married, yeah, I can see maybe people in the past na gustong balik sa'yo to form some kind of maybe business kasama ka or mas matibay na connection sa inyong dalawa, yung iba business partnership, relationship, mas matibay na friendship. So these people in the past wants to talk to you and form some kind of kasunduan or bond sa inyong dalawa. In the near future, you do have the Six of Swords and the Six of Pentacles. So, dalawang six yan. Ace of Cups. Yan. So, balance energy yung number 6 eh. It's an even number na nagpapakita ng balance, no? Energy. So, ito, actually, yung iba sa inyo, hindi ka na mahirapan kasi there's some kind of partnership na makakatulong sa'yo para maging mas better. You know, kasi you are already magaling. Pero mas maganda kung ikaw ay mapapartneran or mga taong makakasama mo ay mga taong makakatulong din sa'yo, magiging mas balance or mas magagampanan mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong matapos ng agad-agad if you are makikipag-partner sa mga tamang tao. You know, yung kasi yung iba sa inyo nasanay ka na gawin lahat ng ikaw mag-isa. Pero the universe is giving you people na matutulungan ka para mas magawa yung mga bagay-bagay na ito ng mas maayos, mas mabilis, ng maganda. Okay, mas magiging maganda resulta for you. Mas magbe-benefit ka, mas magbe-benefit din sila. Parang may tulungan. So, partnership with the Six of Swords and Six of Pentacles, ang nakikita natin, pakikipagtulungan, there's this balance energy, at saka yung Six of Swords, actually ito yung card na nagpapakita. Pero, iba yung nagpapakita sa aking vision is yung isang deck or isang tarot deck na meron ako, which is ang Six of Swords doon is para siyang umaakyat ng hagdan. So, parang that is signifying growth, no? So, nakita tayo ng growth sa'yo because there's this person who is going to help you na ma-achieve yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve unti-unti through the help of this person. And you do have the Ace of Cups, a new beginning for you. For those of you who are single or if you're looking for love, someone is really going to, ang naririnig ko is hindi ko alam kung kanta to eh. Pero may naririnig akong kanta. All I ever want is to... Hindi ko alam yung lyrics eh. Naririnig, ang weird nga. Find your way back. I find my way back to love. Parang ganun. So, yung iba past person, nahahanap siya ng paraan para makabalik sa'yo. So, for those of you who are single, looking for love, there's a past person na gusto niyong bumalik sa'yo. Parang yun yung title eh, Way Back into Love. Ano ba? Ayan, ganun. Basta. Naririnig ko pa nga parang duet eh. Babae, lalaki. Kumakanta nun. Hindi ko lang maano yung lyrics. Anyway, so some kind of partnership as ang magbibigay ng mas growth sa'yo. And, hindi mo to hinihiling, Basta kusa na lang dadating. Kaya huwag ka kumbaga hindi mo kailangan hanapin, kusang dadating, okey? Thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.